Now we take up one illustration. Consider the following data for the activities of a project. Here activities are given: activity A, B, C, D, E and F. Immediate predecessor activities are given nil, A, B, C, nil, E, and duration in days 2, 3, 4, 6, 2, 8. Draw the network. From this he is asking, draw the network and find the critical path. So now we apply here the CPM method, critical path method. Now first we should draw the network diagram. First you should draw the rough network diagram. Then you make it fair. So, and then you find the critical path. How to find the critical path? So I'll show you. First, you draw the network diagram based on this information. First, what is given here? Activity A is preceded by nil. That means just you take one event, one, just you draw an arrow line, just one more circle. It will give you one event. It is one activity. It is preceded by nil means before that no activity is there. A is preceded by nil. This is satisfied. Next you draw B. B is preceded by A means you have to continue from here. B is preceded by A. That one, just you take one arrow and you put one circle, and this is B, activity B, and these are the durations. Here 2A is activity A, duration is 2, activities B, duration is 3, like that. Next, C is also preceded by A. C is preceded by A means again I have to start from here, because I can't start from here, because so if you start from here, so C is preceded by B, it becomes. So actually it is given C is preceded by A. C is preceded by A means like this you have to draw one more arrow. This is duration is 4. Next D, activity D is preceded by BC. That means B and C. So I cannot start from here now. So I have to take one dummy activity. It consumes 0 time. Please remember, dummy activity consumes 0 time. So I drew a line like this, arrow mark. So this is D is preceded by B and C, this activity. So duration is 6, and E is preceded by nil. E should be preceded by nil means from here you have to start. E is preceded by none. Similarly, F is preceded by E. F is preceded by E. So this network diagram is satisfying our conditions. So just to check up once again. So whether A is preceded by nil, B is preceded by A, C is preceded by A, D is preceded by B, C, E is preceded by nil, F is preceded by E. It is satisfying this all. Okay. Now, network diagram is over. Now what you have to do, you have to find out the critical path and the project length, project's duration. In how many days the total projects can be completed. So in how many days the total projects can be completed. That is project's duration as well as the critical path. I'll show you. So again in the next slide, again I'll take up this figure. Again for our reference purpose, I've taken here figure. I'm using the forward pass method. Forward pass method means from 1 to 2 you have to go, 2 to 3, 2 to 4, like this. This is E1, E2, then 3, then 4, 5, 6, 7, like that you should go. Forward pass method means from 1 to 6. This is forward pass method. Backward pass method means from 6 to 1 you have to come in reverse order. So what is this forward pass method? I'll show you. See, this is one event, I1, okay? So starting one, always you keep it as 0. That is, it can be denoted by TE1 or E1 also you can write simply, or TE also you can write. Notations are no problem here. TE1 means always the starting event is 0. It is default. By default, you can keep 0. Starting event is 0. TE1 is always 0. This one for starting one. I've written here. TE1 is 0. So what is TE2? TU2 means you have to go from year to year. That means TE1 is 0 plus 2 times, 2 days time. So 0 plus 2 is 2. That is TU2 is TE1 plus 2 is 0 plus 2. That is 2. Next to TE3 like this. TE3. Already TE3 link is here. TE0, TE1 plus duration. This particular activity duration is 2. So TE1 plus 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. This is TE3 is 4. TE3 is 4. Then you can go to TE4. What is TE4? This one. TE4 is this. That means, so TE link is here from TE2 to TE4 you have to take. TE2 plus 4. TE2 plus 4. That is 2 plus 4 is 6. Similarly, TE5. This is 5. So, but here, 2 arrows are coming into this 5. One arrow from B, another arrow dummy. So we have to check the maximum of this always. In forward pass method, you have to use the maximum of these 2 arrows. Okay. Maximum of here, TE5 is equal to maximum of TE2 plus this activity 3 or TE4 plus this activity, it consumes 0 time. So TE2 plus 3 is 5, 6 plus 0 is 6. So maximum is in this 6. Whichever is maximum that can be taken. So 6. Similarly, TE6. For TE6, 2 arrows are coming into 6. So one from 5 to 6, another from 3 to 6. So maximum of these two you should consider. So maximum of TE5 is this plus the duration for the activity is 6 or TE3 plus duration for F activity is 8. The maximum of these two is 12. So we found TE values, TE, okay, TE values, earliest times. Okay, next to latest allowable times, TL. So using backward pass method means now you have to go from 6 to 1, 6 to 5, 5 to 4, 4 to 3, 3 to 1, like that. Okay. So in for backward pass method, first you should start from 6th. Always you remember the last event, that is T is 6. Na? Always this TE value and TL values are equal. TE values and TL value for that particular node or event is equal. That is TEL we got here 12, TE6 we got 12. Similarly, we have to keep TEL6 for is also 12. Just you make it 12 here. So starting one we kept 0, 0. Now here ending ones we have to make both are same. Whatever the value you will get here TE, same value you have to keep for TL. So now we are starting TE6 is equal to TL6. Just write TL6. Now we are finding the values of TL. Next node is T5. T5, what we can write reverse order we are going. That means T6 minus of this activity we can write now. So T5 minus T6 minus of this 6 if you write, you will get T5 value, that is 6. T6 value minus duration of this activity, that is 6, is 6. Next T3 activity, T3 is here. That means what we can write, the link is here. T6 minus this activity will give you T3 value. T6 minus 8 will give you 4. That is TL3 is 4. Similarly, TL4, this one. Just now we can go for this. Okay. T5 we already found. TL5 is 6 we already got here. Next to T4 I am calculating. What is TL4? TL4 is TL5 minus 0. Now this duration, this dummy activities duration is 0. So that is TL5 minus 0, that is equal to 6 minus 0, that is equal to 6. So we got TL6. TL4 is 6. Similarly, 2, TL2. For 2, we have 2 arrows. One, we can go to 2 from 4 to 2 or 5 to 2. Both we have. In this case, minimum we have to select. In the case of forward pass method, we have selected the maximum of 2. In the backward pass method, you have to select the minimum of these. So minimum TL2 is minimum of TL5 minus this duration, that is 3, comma TL4, this value, minus 4, that is minimum of 6 minus 3 or 6 minus 4, that is 2. Whichever is minimum of these two, we should take that. Now we got T2, TL2. Now TL1. TL1, how we can come? 2 to 1 you can go, or 3 to 1 also. So TL2 minus this duration or TL3 minus this duration will give you minimum of this, that is 0, or if it is satisfied. Always you should get here starting one 0, it should satisfy. Okay. Now this is called the forward pass method and the backward pass method. What is the duration of the project? That means the ending activity. That is, the whole project can be completed in 12 days time. This one, last one, 12 represents here 12 days time. Whole projects can be completed in 12 days. Next, one more he is asking, that is, what is the critical path? Critical path is nothing but if wherever the TE values and TL values are same, those are called the critical activities. Where the TL and TE values are same, for 1, the same value we have. Then for 2, we have the same values, TL and TE, 2 we got here 0, 0. Then 4, here 6 and 6 we got. Then 5, we got 6 and 6 and 6. So that means 1, 2, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 1 to 2, 2 to 4, 4 to 5, and 5 to 6 is the critical path. Critical path, you can make it dark, this one line. You can make 1 to 2, one more line, you can thick line you can draw to represent the critical path, 2 to 4 thick line. Then this is anyway dummy. So then like this. Otherwise, in terms of activities also you can say that is A to C, C to dummy, that is then D to, that is D, like that you can write.